Managing travel expenses can be a headache, but with Navan, it's a streamlined process that helps companies stay organized while keeping their travel policies in check. In this video, we'll quickly show you how to manage travel expense policies within Navan and how the software can simplify your life. Stick around till the end for an exclusive offer to try Navan for free. Navan, formerly known as Trip Actions, is a travel and expense management platform designed for businesses. It combines both travel booking and expense tracking in one simple, easy-to-use interface. What makes Navan stand out is its ability to enforce travel expense policies directly within the platform, ensuring compliance without the manual oversight. When it comes to managing travel expense policies, the first thing you'll notice in Navan is how seamlessly it integrates these rules into the booking process. Whether you're setting up policies for air travel, hotel stays, or meals, you can customize each element according to your company's preferences. Navan allows you to define spending limits, preferred suppliers, and approval workflows, ensuring that all travel expenses align with your company's budget and policies. The software's AI-powered recommendations further streamline the process by suggesting the most cost-effective options based on your preset rules. This helps employees book within the guidelines without wasting time comparing prices. Plus, the platform has real-time alerts that notify both employees and managers if a booking doesn't comply with the company's policy, preventing overspending before it even happens. Now, let's dive into how you can easily set up and enforce travel expense policies in Navan. First, go to your policy settings within the platform. Here, you can define policy categories like travel class, daily meal allowances, and lodging preferences. You can set specific limits based on your company's requirements. For example, you can designate a certain flight class for business trips or define a daily per diem for meals. Navan also offers robust reporting tools that give managers full visibility into travel expenses. You'll be able to track real-time spending and ensure that employees are adhering to your policies. You can generate detailed reports on where and how money is being spent, helping you identify trends and optimize your policies over time. Another key feature of Navan is its integration with your existing accounting and finance systems, making it easier to keep track of expenses across departments. The platform allows you to connect with systems like QuickBooks or SAP, which means that as soon as an employee submits an expense report, it automatically syncs with your financial software, streamlining your workflow and reducing manual data entry. One of the best things about Navan is the ease of managing both travel bookings and expense reports from a single platform. Employees can make bookings, track expenses, and submit reports, all while staying within the company's travel policy. With approvals happening automatically through customizable workflows, there's less back and forth and more productivity. If you want to take your travel expense management to the next level, consider Navan's mobile app. It gives employees on-the-go access to manage their expenses, book travel, and stay in compliance with your company's policy, all from their smartphones. This adds a layer of flexibility and efficiency, especially for businesses with remote employees or frequent travelers. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try Navan completely for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below. This gives you a chance to test out the platform's full capabilities without any risk, so you can see firsthand how it can save your company time and money. In summary, Navan offers a comprehensive solution for managing travel expense policies with ease. With customizable settings, real-time alerts, integration with accounting systems, and AI-powered recommendations, it's a game changer for businesses looking to streamline their travel management. Plus, don't forget to check out the link below for an exclusive extended free trial to start managing your travel expenses efficiently today.